we're back, and we are working on my X daily. Now, what is wrong with the car? We've got some body damage. I had an accident with this car 2 years ago, and if you look, this part of the car was in an accident. Now the frame rail is straight, but the front part is like crushed in a little bit. This part is also dented in, and what I'm going to do, I'm not a body work specialist or whatever. I'm a mechanic, so I'm just going to try and do this and go with the flow. I'm going to sand this down, hit it until it's somewhat straight, and sand it some more and then prime it. And then when we have time, I'm going to, well, budget paint this, because this is engine bay and this is just my X daily. I want it done as fast as possible because I want to enjoy it again, and not just have it be here for the rest of his life. I just want it to be good. So yeah, I'm going to go start sand and so, as you can see, I'm going to show you up close what happened. So I hit this off yesterday. This wasn't like broken off, but it was bent, as you can see. And this part is like pushed in a bit, but the frame rail itself is still straight. And this was caved in, and I am fixing this. This was all the way like bent like a lot, and it's way straighter now. So there's still a bit more hammering and bending and scuffing up to do, but well, we're making progress and that's what we want. So yeah.
Maar daarnet zag je die arm ook niet, normaal?
Ja, maar omdat het op normaal stond.
Stond dat normaal daar juist?
Alright, so you'll probably see that the camera is different again because we're, well, trying new settings. So I tried, but I'm going to ask my cousin because well, as you can see, I'm not a body guy. I'm a mechanic, or I'd like to be one. So I'm not going to show that because it's not finished. But if you follow me, I've shown you in previous video that the car was rusting again. Well, I think I've shown you. Because I had been sitting outside for a few days, and we are like resanding it, and we are going to try and make more progress on this car. I want to have the engine bay painted within, I hope, 3 to 4 weeks. That would be ideal. So what I ideally have to do to prep this is scuff the rest of the bay, take out the brake booster and the fuse box, and make it pretty-ish. Again, not a body guy, I'm just trying. And then we can start assembling the engine. I bought a cast iron 2.5, not an aluminum 2.5, because we have an aluminum 2.5. Well, I think it's aluminum, I don't know, it's weird. This one will be a cast iron because, as some of you guys know, the cast iron can run more boost because it's stronger. And I'm going for low boost 280, 300 at the wheels. I know there are going to be some people who say, it's not possible. But it is, trust me, it is. We'll be able to do it. And then when the engine is like on a hold, because, well, to be honest, you know, you all know that an engine is expensive, then I'm going to scuff up these doors because I haven't explained what we are doing here. A few weeks ago, well actually a few months ago now, I got a call from a few old friends who we're parting out some E36s, and I had a great deal on these doors. And I have a trunk lid laying at home because we're still moving in. There's still an engine, 2 ECUs, a bumper, 2 doors, a trunk at my house. And these we put on to move the cars, so on the highway some stuff wouldn't fly out, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the turbo build for now. We're going to sand a bit more, clean up, and again try to paint the bay within 3 weeks to a month. That would be ideal. So I just want to thank you. This is it for today. I'm going to keep my videos shorter than I used to. So I'm just going to ask you to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment. What do you think about our new shop, and share this video. So yeah, see you next time.
Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.